AI was with you all day. 10 hidden moments you missed. You already used artificial intelligence at least 10 times today, and you didn't even realize it. From the moment you woke up, scrolled your phone, or ordered your morning coffee, AI was quietly working behind the scenes. Stay till the end, because by the time you finish this video, you'll see how deeply AI is woven into your daily life and how it's shaping your future without you noticing. Hello and namaste, I am Pratima. Welcome to Next Gen Artificial Intelligence. Today we are going to uncover 10 surprising ways AI was with you all day. No, it's not about robots taking over. It's about small, invisible moments powered by smart algorithms that make your life easier, faster, and even safer. Let's start with your morning. When your phone wakes you up at just the right time using a smart alarm, that's AI. Apps like Sleep Cycle use AI to track your sleep patterns and wake you during your lightest sleep phase, helping you feel refreshed instead of groggy. That's artificial intelligence studying your sleep data and deciding the perfect moment to wake you. Next, you pick up your phone and unlock it with your face. Boom, another AI moment. Your device uses machine learning to recognize the unique patterns of your face, your eyes, nose, and even micro movements to confirm it's you. That's deep learning at work in just a fraction of a second. Then you scroll through your news app or social media feed. Every post, reel, or story shown to you is chosen by AI. Algorithms analyze your likes, watch time, and scrolling behavior to predict what will keep you most engaged. Yes, AI literally knows what makes you stop scrolling. Next, you check your emails. Notice how all the spam is neatly filtered out? That's an AI model trained on millions of examples, recognizing patterns in text, senders, and links to keep your inbox clean. Without AI, your inbox would be chaos. Heading to work or school, you open Google Maps. AI instantly calculates the fastest route, avoids traffic jams, and even predicts where congestion will occur based on millions of data points collected in real time. Every turn you take is optimized by machine learning. When you order breakfast or browse online stores, AI is working overtime. It recommends food based on your previous orders, predicts delivery time, and even decides which restaurant appears first. These are recommendation algorithms, personalized just for you. You said, "Hey Siri, okay Google, or Alexa, what's the weather?" That's AI turning your speech into digital commands using natural language processing, a branch of AI that helps computers understand human language. Every response you hear is powered by deep learning models. When you paid for your coffee or made an online transaction, guess what? AI scanned that payment in milliseconds, checking for unusual behavior. If your bank app notices a suspicious transaction, AI flags it instantly. That's machine learning protecting your money in the background. During your break, you probably opened YouTube or Netflix or social media sites. Every recommended for you suggestion is curated by AI, analyzing what you've watched before, your pauses, skips, likes, and even the time of day you watch certain genres. That's how AI learns your entertainment habits better than you do. When you take a selfie and your camera automatically blurs the background, brightens your face, or enhances colors, it's not magic, it's AI vision. Modern phones use neural networks to detect objects, people, and lighting, then optimize the shot in real time. AI literally makes you look your best. And here's the bonus one: AI you never see. Your device's battery optimization, voice typing autocorrect, even the way Google predicts your next word, all are powered by AI models constantly learning from millions of users. You don't see it, but you benefit every single second. So let's recap. Today you used AI to wake up smarter, unlock your phone, read the news, filter emails, navigate traffic, order food, talk to your assistant, pay securely, watch your favorite shows, and take that perfect selfie. It's everywhere, quietly learning and adapting to you. So next time someone says AI is the future, tell them the future is already here. If you found this video eye-opening, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Next Gen Artificial Intelligence for more simple, powerful AI stories. See you in the next video, where we uncover how AI is changing our world, one small moment at a time.